In the early days of the internet, hacking mostly meant stealing passwords or defacing websites. It was digital chaos, but it rarely crossed into the real world. Then everything changed. Over the past 2 decades, cyber attacks evolved from annoying crimes into weapons capable of shutting down hospitals, leaking the private lives of millions, and even sabotaging national infrastructure. These incidents proved that a few lines of malicious code could shake governments, bankrupt companies, and expose billions of people. What you're about to see are some of the most dangerous hacks ever discovered. Attacks that forced the world to rethink cybersecurity forever. The first one is Stuxnet, widely considered the first true cyber weapon in history. Discovered in 2010, this incredibly advanced malware targeted industrial control systems built by Siemens and was designed to sabotage Iran's nuclear program at the Natanz nuclear facility. The malware secretly altered the speed of uranium enrichment centrifuges, making them spin at destructive levels while simultaneously feeding normal data back to the monitoring system so engineers wouldn't notice anything wrong. Around 1,000 centrifuges were destroyed, delaying the nuclear program without a single missile being fired. The attack eventually stopped once cybersecurity researchers discovered the worm and global security teams began analyzing and blocking its spread. But the damage had already proven that software alone could physically destroy infrastructure. Next came the global chaos of the WannaCry ransomware attack. In May 2017, this ransomware worm spread across the internet within hours, infecting more than 200,000 computers in over 150 countries. It locked files and demanded Bitcoin payments to restore access. Hospitals in the United Kingdom were forced to cancel surgeries, companies were locked out of their systems, and governments struggled to contain the outbreak. The malware exploited a Windows vulnerability using an exploit known as Eternal Blue, a powerful tool originally developed by the NSA, which had been leaked online. The attack finally slowed down when a security researcher accidentally discovered a kill switch domain inside the malware's code that stopped its automatic spreading. Even then, global damages were estimated in the billions of dollars. NotPetya cyber attack, which initially looked like ransomware but turned out to be something much worse. Instead of decrypting files after payment, NotPetya permanently destroyed data, making it essentially a digital bomb. The attack began through a compromised Ukrainian accounting software update, allowing it to spread rapidly through corporate networks worldwide. Major companies like shipping giant Maersk were forced to shut down global operations, ports stopped functioning, and entire IT infrastructures had to be rebuilt from scratch. The damage exceeded $10 billion, making it one of the most financially destructive cyber attacks ever. The outbreak stopped mainly after infected systems were shut down and networks were isolated, but by then, thousands of companies had already been crippled. Another attack that shocked the cybersecurity world was the SolarWinds supply chain attack. Instead of directly hacking targets, attackers infiltrated the software development environment of SolarWinds and inserted malicious code into legitimate updates of its network management platform. When thousands of organizations downloaded the update, they unknowingly installed a backdoor inside their own systems. Governments, technology companies, and security firms were silently monitored for months. The attack was extremely difficult to detect because it used trusted software distribution channels. It was eventually discovered by the cybersecurity company FireEye, which noticed suspicious activity in its own network. The breach forced global organizations to rebuild infrastructure and rethink the entire concept of software supply chain security. One of the most infamous personal data disasters was the Equifax data breach. Attackers exploited a known vulnerability in a web application framework that had not been patched by the company. Through this single weakness, hackers gained access to extremely sensitive data, including social security numbers, addresses, and financial records of approximately 147 million people. The breach exposed nearly half the population of the United States to potential identity theft. It took months before the intrusion was discovered, and by that time the attackers had already extracted enormous data sets. The damage led to massive lawsuits, government investigations, and hundreds of millions of dollars in settlements. The Yahoo data breaches, which eventually turned out to be the largest data breach ever recorded. Attackers compromised Yahoo's internal systems and stole information from around 3 billion user accounts, including names, email addresses, passwords, and security questions. The attack remained hidden for years before the company publicly disclosed the true scale of the breach. It significantly damaged Yahoo's reputation and reduced the company's sale value when it was later acquired by Verizon. Target Corporation also became a major victim during the Target data breach. Attackers first compromised a third-party HVAC contractor that had access to Target's internal network. Using that foothold, they installed malware on the company's point-of-sale systems, allowing them to capture credit card data from millions of customers during holiday shopping season. Over 40 million payment cards were stolen. The breach forced the company to overhaul its entire security infrastructure and cost hundreds of millions in damages and settlements. Sony Pictures hack. Hackers infiltrated Sony Pictures Entertainment and leaked massive amounts of internal data, including unreleased films, private emails, and employee information. The attackers also destroyed company computers by deploying destructive malware. The breach caused huge embarrassment for the studio and disrupted its operations for weeks. The attack eventually stopped after systems were shut down and rebuilt, but the leaked information spread across the internet permanently. Finally, one of the most dangerous moments in hacking history came when a mysterious group called the Shadow Brokers leaked a collection of powerful cyber weapons developed by the National Security Agency. These tools included advanced exploits capable of breaking into vulnerable computer systems around the world. Once the tools were released publicly, criminals quickly repurposed them, which directly contributed to attacks like WannaCry. The leak demonstrated a terrifying reality. Even the most powerful cyber weapons can escape into the wild internet, where anyone can use them. What makes these attacks truly frightening is not just the damage they caused, but what they represent. Each incident pushed cyber warfare to a new level, from physical sabotage to global ransomware outbreaks to silent espionage hidden inside trusted software updates. The internet connects nearly every system in the modern world, from hospitals to power grids to financial markets. And these attacks proved that the battlefield of the future might not be fought with tanks or missiles, but with invisible code moving silently through networks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and comment down below which cyber attack shocked you the most. This is Hacker's Arsenal, and I'll see you in the next one.